Hi everyone, in front of me I've got on Pad 8 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Language and Input and tap on Language and Region. As you can see here we've got the language which is currently applied, so let's tap on Add Language to open the full list of available languages. So all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it. So let me choose maybe Dutch, just tap. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language, so just tap on Change. And as you can see, the language will be immediately applied, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you want to, if you've got more than one language is added to this kind of a shortcut list, you can quickly change the language just by reordering them. So let's tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position, so it will be immediately applied. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove Languages. Mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English or any other language left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.